Hello guys, you're welcome to my Affincome Training Kit review. Alright, my name is Ikem from C7 Online Marketing Masters. I am a product reviewer and also an affiliate marketer. Alright, so this awesome product, alright, by Larry Kennel, it's a training kit. Okay, as the name, as you can see from the name, it's a training kit and that has in it high definition videos that encompasses everything that you really need to know about affiliate marketing, and it guides you into the secret to instantly propel yourself into the big leagues, okay, as a hotshot affiliate marketer. All right, and you see loads of commissions flowing into your bank account. All right, so right about now I am in the members area of this awesome product. As I told you that Larry Kennel Kenny did what put everything in a training kit and a high definition video for you to access. And right now I can just simply open up some of the training videos of which, so you can see what Larry did, so that you know everything, how you can follow this step-by-step process of this training videos. It's a pretty much high definition video, and it has everything. So if you really want to kickstart with all this training video that has everything that you need to know about the affiliate marketing, if you want to get this product, just stick with me as I will also take you around this video. Like you can see over here, the Wordpress Overview shows you everything that you need to know. You can see what is affiliate marketing. All right, so stay tuned, okay guys, as we talk about this awesome product and what Affincome Training Kit is all about. All right, so this is an all-in-one HD video training, okay, to get started and make a game-changing commissions with affiliate marketing. All right, so this is a step-by-step process, and if you really want to get this, you just want to go grab this product, because so many people out there are in oblivion and they really do not know what this affiliate marketing is all about and how to make conversions. All right, you can go straight down now to below the link of the description of this video, where you see a link that ushers you. Once you click on the link, it takes you to this page where and you can also from here pretty much click any of these buttons to purchase this product. And there's something I want to tell you about this product. It comes with our awesome bonuses, and this time around it's one of a super affiliate, one of the top three affiliates, super affiliates in the world, no other but John Armstrong, who of which I partner with, and I am a student of the Ministry of Freedom. Okay, so I have bonus offers that we have put together, and I will, in a matter of some in a matter of minutes, I'll take you around the bonus tutorials, bonus offers that will be embedded in this product. If you really want to get all of these bonuses, you have to go straight down and click on the link below the description of this video. So one of our bonus, let's go, let's iterate through our bonus offers. The bonus offer number one for this half income training kit is the Boomerang Body Pro. All right, so you have, it's a hack, you access the Boomerang Body, okay, Pro, and this was really put together like in some few months ago by John Armstrong. Okay, so our bonus number two is for this income trading kit is YouTube super traffic hack. All right, so John Armstrong has put up this training this particular bonus offer, I actually got it from John Armstrong. Okay, so that it will really add value, okay, with the YouTube super traffic hack. So if you really want to understand everything about this particular bonus that I have for you, you just go down and click on the link below the description of this video. So our bonus number 3 is continuum. All right, so you access continue done for you DFY. All right, okay. So our bonus number 4 is 10K email manifesto case study. All right, this has to do with everything about your email marketing and everything, how you can build your list. Okay, this is 10K email manifesto case study, and it's a cracker that I'm sure that you wouldn't want to miss. You just want to build your emails, your email list, and stuff like that. All right. So our bonus number 5, it's a special a vendor bonus. Is the vendor has given me special privileges and access to his bonus offers. Okay, Larry has given me such access, and he said it's just for you guys that just want this product. So if you want all of these vendor bonuses from me, okay, so why not go down, you click on the link below the description of this video, where you can access all of the bonuses by bonus offers alongside the vendor bonuses. Okay, so talking about the back to the members area of this product. As you can see, this is just how it is. It's just superb. The app income. So it's, I won't really be working, I won't really be playing, but once you get this product, you'll be able to access all of this high definition, self-explanatory product about the affiliate marketing, and it will pretty much get you kick started with everything about the affiliate marketing, how you can start and how you can start converting. Okay, so let's go straight over to the prices and the upsells of this product. You get this all in one training kit, how to get started and all that. For with the front end, the half income training kit, you get it between $17.95, around $18, around 18 to $30. You get all of this package, all in one package, all in one video, high definition video training sections. Okay, if you're struggling to make your first affiliate commission, okay, as you probably already know, it's one of the fastest ways now people are using to make money online, right? The affiliate marketing. So if you're struggling, I guess this product is just for you. You can just get it at the front end. You access all of the powerful half income training kit software and the training modules, okay, for as little as around 18 dollars or to $30. Okay, so also, one of the key benefits that you may be interested in getting when you purchase this product is drop shipping, where you rely on unknown suppliers to fulfill orders for you. Okay, and you have customer support. It's spending hours per day dealing with support tickets and questions and even refund requests. Okay, and buying and storing inventory, just okay, hoping you can sell it without losing money. All right, and paid ads, forking out thousands on traffic with zero guarantee of results. Okay, so guys, this is an awesome product, and just that it is for the action thinkers. All right, and there's something I really do not want you to miss out. It's that this particular bonus offers, this particular page of my bonuses will go down in 5 days, on 5 hours 29 minutes, and the seconds time is just ticking so hard. All right, so I really do not want you to miss out on this bonus offers. So hurry up now and just do the needful, and the needful is clicking on the link below the description of this video for you to purchase the copy of this product alongside my bonus offers, my in-turn bonus offers, right? So if you're excited about this product review, and you really do not want to miss out on any of our reviews and our bonus offers, or you can just subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so you get updated at any of my reviews. Okay, guys. So I quite happy. I'm quite fascinated about these offers, about this particular product by Larry Cannell. All right. So once you get this product, you want to purchase it for you to get your all your my bonuses, all of the bonuses that comes alongside this product. You see that below the page, the Warrior Plus page where you access this product, you see access affiliate bonuses down there, and you just click on it and you get all of your bonuses, okay, down. Okay, guys, so I want to thank you guys for taking out the time to checking out my review and my bonuses. Okay, so I am Ikem. I'm always committed to your success, and this is c7onlinemarketingmasters.com, where you get your product reviews and also you get to meet with me as an affiliate marketer, guys. So I hope to see you guys on the inside. All right, so stay safe, guys, and thumbs up.